The creation story of man in the Bible has always perplexed me. God took Adam's rib to make Eve, but why? What does it mean? It's obviously not literal, and if it was literal, it wouldn't explain the why. So, what does it symbolize? I think it symbolizes the fractal nature of life. When a man and a woman become one, they propagate, creating more life. And life begets life in this infinite loop. And all life originates from God. So when that tale of Adam's rib generating or creating Eve is an example of the fractal nature of our reality in one dimension, that being man. Much love. Peace.